much for joining me for this video today. My name's Nicole, and today I have a huge haul for you guys of some stuff that I just got at Goodwill. So it is Friday, so it's the end of the week, and my Goodwill has a special tag sale every week. So they pick a color tag of the week, and that tag is 50% off. So I did find a few items that were 50% off, but I'm really excited about everything I found. I found some awesome vintage stuff, some cool like crocheted blankets, and the prices weren't too terribly bad. I do have to pay up quite a bit at my Goodwill. I would say on average each item was about $5. That's just the way my Goodwill is. I don't have like super cheap prices. I know there's some places that have like, you know, $1 and $2 items, that kind of stuff. If something's on sale or like a clearance rack, which we do have clearance racks sometimes, then sometimes I will find things for $2, but rarely do I find anything for even $1. It's just very uncommon at my Goodwill, so I do have to pay up a little bit. I do not have a Goodwill bins in my area. If you're familiar with the bins is a place where you can pay by the pound, and I don't have anything like that in my area either. So primarily I shop at Goodwill and places like Playhouse Closet, Style, Encore. Playhouse Closet sometimes, not a whole lot, but I have a Goodwill right in my town, and that's basically the only thrift store in my town. So otherwise I have to travel about 25 to 35 minutes to get anywhere else that has other thrift stores. So I primarily do shop at Goodwill. I shop a lot online as well, and I would say maybe once a month I go to another town. So I don't do a whole lot. So I have quite a bit of stuff to show you guys. I'm really excited about the items I found. I do think that with things getting a little bit more back to normal, that the Goodwills have people working now so that they can get inventory on the shelves. So I do have quite a few items to show you guys. I'm really excited. I spent a total of $145.80. That's really weird because I thought she said it was $125. She must have said the wrong thing. I got 5 things that were 5 things that were on clearance, and I don't know how many pieces I got, but I got quite a few. I would say at least 20 items, maybe more. Okay, so let's get right into this. Yay, I'm really excited. Okay, this I think I bought for myself, unless it's a decent brand. It's called Shape. I just really liked it. I work out a lot with my husband. It's like longer in the back, so it covers if you're wearing like leggings or anything like that. I don't usually wear leggings, and it was only $4. But I probably won't tell you the prices on everything. But then I got this Victoria's Secret Sports Bra. I found this Athleta Sports Bra, which I don't know if it was a bad buy or not, just because it's not really anything special. But I picked it up because I've never found their sports bras before. So okay, this was pretty cool because I found 2 of these, Toad & Co., which is formerly known as Horny Toad, and I found 2 dresses just like this, and they're both like a purple. One's a pinkish violet color, and this one has sleeves. These are definitely owned by the same person. They're the same size, almost the exact same style. I found a couple Sundance pieces. Sundance catalog. If you're not familiar with them, they are a catalog. Some of their pieces go for a good amount. You know, I would assume probably $30 to $35. I'll probably list it at like $39 and take best offer. I don't know though. I have to look up comps. Some pieces go for a lot, some don't. This is just like a maxi skirt by Sundance. I just thought it was kind of like, this style's kind of in right now, so that's why I picked it up. I'm going to have to look and see what kind of keywords to use. There's a great YouTuber that talks a lot about keywords, and she knows a lot about like vintage and stuff, which if you're not familiar with her name is Christine Sherilyn, I think is how you say it. And she's formerly known as Little Black Hanger. She's on Poshmark as Little Black Hanger without the vowels. And she has a lot of great tips about like keywords to use. I'm really bad with keywords. She tags a lot of keywords and stuff like that. So I'll probably go on her YouTube and see what she had some new keywords she talked about in one of her last videos that I will use for that skirt probably. This is by Title IX. And this is just like, kind of like an athletic-y kind of dress. I think I might keep this for myself. It's a medium. I think it'll fit me okay. And I just like this kind of, it's like a really nice material. This dress is like a slinky dress. It reminds me of the 90s. Kind of looks see-through here, but I don't think it is. But I was like, oh, I wonder what brand that is. I really, you know, I like the style. I think it will sell well because it's kind of in style right now. But oh my word, did I buy the wrong thing? No, I thought I bought the wrong thing for a second. Okay, so I looked and I realized when I looked inside, I knew there was a tag, so when I found it, it was flax, which is a great brand to sell. A lot of this stuff sells very quickly. I don't know if I have any, I think I have one flax piece maybe in my closet right now, my Poshmark closet. This is typically flax is like linen stuff. This is not linen, this is like a slinky material, but I was excited about getting that. I think it'll sell. It's a small. I got these for myself. These are just tech gear. I just got them for myself because they're like athletic shorts, and I don't like short shorts. In the summertime, I don't like booty shorts, and these are like a longer short. So that's why I got those. This is Dolan. Dolan is sometimes still at Anthropologie, I believe. I honestly, tired guys. I don't know for sure if this one was still at Anthropologie, but I got it. It's cute. It's a tank. I like the neckline. It's cute. This I kind of bought for myself. This is actually Lucy Athletic. And right there it says Lucy, but sometimes they don't have the name on them. This is what the inside tag looks like. And when I'm looking for clothes at the thrift store, a lot of times if it's an athletic piece, I will check the bottom or the top back part like here to see if there's any logo. With Lucy, there's always this on the pieces, so you know if you see it, it's Lucy. Now I picked this up. I don't always pick up cabbie, especially old tag cabbie. I basically never pick that up unless it's like $1 and it's a really cute piece, because it just doesn't sell very well. A lot of cabbie hasn't sold real great for me, but I picked this up because I think it's perfect for summer and even fall. I think you could wear it. Probably more of a springy jacket, but that's new tag cabbie. And it's this beautiful yellow jacket. It's almost like a khaki material. It's got shoulder pads. I honestly thought it was just super pretty. This is also a Lucy tank top. There. See, on this one, it doesn't have the name, probably because it's a newer style. So that was cute. Lucy doesn't sell real quick for me, honestly, but I love it because I really like the brand for myself, so I'll keep it if it doesn't sell. This is Bob Mackie. Some of his stuff does really well, some doesn't. This was there last time I went shopping. It was $5.99. I didn't want to spend that much on it, but for $3, I was happy because the blue tag was 50% off. This was interesting. I saw it and was like, well, it's kind of like a really nice material, but I had no idea. I thought maybe it was just a cheap brand. But then I found the tag and it's soft surroundings. Isn't this weird for soft surroundings? It's like a vest, open vest thing. This is not the style I normally see in soft surroundings, but I picked it up. This is a vintage little dress. Definitely something we wore when we were buying stuff at Deb's. Do you guys remember Deb's in the mall? This probably came from Deb's. It's just pulsed. I would say it's a small. I thought this would be good as a cover-up for a swimsuit, so that's why I got it. 90s, 2000s. I'll put something similar to that in the listing. As soon as I saw this pattern, I knew that it was Lululemon because I've seen this pattern a lot. It is one of their older patterns, styles. I believe this is the Power Y. I can't remember what this pattern is called. If you ever have questions about Lululemon, if you're new to reselling, you ever have questions about Lululemon, usually the size dot is in the inside of where the bra pads would be. This is an 8. There's also a site called Lulu Fanatics where you can get a lot of information if you're looking for specific styles. Okay, so I got this purely for style. I'll probably model it because I don't think that it'll do well if I don't, because there's basically no brand. I mean, it's Vanity. I guess there's a brand. It's Vanity. But it's like this tube top that's like a halter. And this is just so like early 2000s that I had to get it because I know that that's really in right now. So we'll see. I don't know how well it will do. I got this because I absolutely loved it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I gotta get that. No brand tag, no size tag. It is like a beautiful crocheted knit top. It buttons all the way down. Honestly, I'm gonna put this as a swim cover up. I mean, it's beautiful, right? I think it will sell well, honestly. The style is just right for right now. But there's no size or brand tag. I'm probably gonna list it as a medium swim cover up. We'll see though. I'll try it on and see. This is super cute. It's just a tank top. And I just love the style, and it's a really, really soft material. And this is the Fabletics logo. Where is it? Where'd you go? So whenever I see that, I know it's Fabletics. Some of their stuff does well, some doesn't. I don't know if this has the tag. No, the tag's ripped out. I think this is probably a medium. I thought it was cute. They had it marked as a swim top. I don't think it's a swim top. I think it's just a tank top. But, yeah. Sorry, guys. I keep yawning. I'm, like, really tired. This was in the swim stuff because of the material. I actually don't think it's a swim dress. I think it's just vintage. It is that material that's kind of like towel-y. And it's just a dress. Guys, I really want to get into modeling my stuff again. I used to model a lot of my stuff for Poshmark, and I went back and forth. I really love how the pictures turn out, but the time, and I have a really hard time photographing anything besides tops. Like, I can't really get a good shot. And yeah, anyway, this would probably be super cute to model though, wouldn't it? But yeah, I don't know if I'll put it as a dress or swim cover up. I'm not sure. I have to think about it. I bought this for myself for making like macrame type stuff. Some of you have seen my channel, and I made like this sunflower hanging thing, and I'm thinking about doing something with that color because that's like my favorite color. This I absolutely loved. It is a crossbody bag. Of course, it's knotted, so hopefully the strap will be decent. I'll have to I don't know if I'll be able to fix that. It's rough. This does come off though, but it is just this, I mean, I would have to say probably 2000 sometime purse, and I just love it. It's so like retro, and I just love it. Yeah, I got that. I was excited to find this. I actually found this first. This is a vintage Dooney and Burke wallet. I think it's legit. I don't think they probably made fakes back then. I think this is probably an older one. I do believe it's new. Still has that stuff. I don't think this has been used like at all. Has the checkbook holder. And yeah. I think it's legit. I do. I mean, it's hefty. I was really excited about that because Goodwill does not know what that sign is. I've found 2 or 3 items like Dooney and Burke from them. I mean, I don't think I get a ton out of this, but since it's in such excellent condition, I'm hoping like 30. And then I found this, and I think honestly, like, these probably came from the same person. And you know, now looking at this, there's some issues with it. I didn't look at it very closely. This is actually just Gitano, which was very popular when I was growing up. Just Gitano, but it's like cool, you know, it's like vintagey looking. It's got the coin part. Gitano, made in China. Wow, that's weird. Oh, okay. There's 2 languages saying made in China. And I was looking at the China for the other language. I don't know what that is with an E at the end. And I was like, anyway. It does have some issues here, which I didn't see. So I probably won't get a whole lot out of this, but you know, I'm hoping at least to make 2 or 3 times my money on something like this that has issues. I mean, why put this sticker on? You're gonna put, oh good, that came off. Came off easy. Okay, what I have left are some neat crocheted Afghans, I think that's what they call them. I didn't look over them real well, so I'm hoping there's no stains, but here's the first one. It is a chevron pattern, and it's really cool at the edge, right? It's an Afghan. It's not super huge, but it's got the gray, the navy, and then the ivory white color. That one's cool. This one is definitely for like a baby's room. Definitely. I love the colors. They're so pretty. Someone really liked, I'm sure these are all the same person. This is definitely for a baby's room, and I'll definitely put that in the listing. Isn't that pretty? And it's chevron pattern, kind of. This one is more of, I don't know. This one looks the most worn. There's just a little bit of pilling, not much. Again, chevron. I know some of these go for a lot. I still haven't listed the other 2 I have that I showed in another haul. I don't really know how to photograph them properly. I need to get something to hang them probably on. This is my favorite, which is kind of funny because it's just one color. It is the chevron pattern, if I'm thinking chevron right. But I just love the color. It's this beautiful peach corally, I don't know what you call it. Maybe tangerine. Isn't that pretty? It's really pretty. And that's the last item. They're all, I would say, probably about the same size. And they're all in really great condition. Just looking at them, I didn't see any stains, but I'll have to like really look at them good to make sure. But yeah, that's everything I got. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do a lot of thrifting videos, thrifting vlogs. I'm trying to get more into those. What sold videos, hauls, thrifting hauls, Poshmark hauls, selling on Poshmark, so on eBay type stuff, because I am a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. So if you're interested in seeing more content like that, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and comment, because that really helps me and the YouTube algorithm, so please don't forget to do that. If you have any comments or questions or anything like that, don't forget to check out my Poshmark closet, which I will have linked in the description, and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks, guys. We'll see you later. Bye!